Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a basic tutorial on how to move plant in Plant versus Brainrot game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined this game and I'm going to show you a basic tutorial for beginners on how to move plant. So if you want to move plant, you can use this shuffle item and then you just need to select the plant that you want to move. For example, I'm going to move this strawberry. So I'm going to pick up this plant. We can select yes. And I'm going to move it here. We can go to the inventory menu and go to the plant section, and then you can place your plant like this. And yeah, this is simple. You just need to use the shuffle. If you are grow a garden players, it looks similar with it. Okay guys, and that's all about how to move plant in Plant versus Brainrot game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!